This is Austin from Mac Audio. We're doing a product overview on some Ground Zero sound deadening kits we just got in. I'm gonna go through every little piece and show you what it does and show you all what you get in the kit.
Okay, let's go.
First off, it comes with these sheets of aluminum. It's just aluminum with a high tack adhesive, and you're gonna want to put this on the outer door skin on the largest piece that you can find. So you're going to want to try and keep this in as big of a piece as possible. The idea of it is that the bigger it is, the more rigid it is, and the more it's going to help reduce resonance. That's what it's adding rigidity to your outer door skin. You want to find as big a place you can put it and cut it to size, put it on, and then use your other one somewhere else. Anything is better than nothing, but the bigger the piece you have, the better. So it comes with 2 of these in the kit, 1 for each door. So that's first, and then it comes with 4 of these like egg crate foams. What these are going to do is these are going to act as a decoupler, and they are going to stop you're going to put this either on your door panel itself or the inner door skin, and what it's going to do is it's going to stop the panels from rattling together or any wires that are in there or clips. Whenever your subwoofer hits, it actually, like, the air travels through your doors, and when your door speakers hit, the door travels through your doors, and it can rattle and make noise. So that's gonna kind of help that. And also it's gonna work a little bit as a sound absorber too, because of like the textured finish. As it's going through, it's going to absorb the sound to try and help you deliver a cleaner sound out of the speaker hole. This stuff's important. It's not the most important out of everything, but it is like just one of those added benefits of this kit, and it's going to help reduce your overall noise in the car while increasing the quality. And then it comes with 2 sheets of this thinner closed cell foam. Now this is going to go the same way. It's either going to go on the inner door panel or inner door skin or the door panel. Same thing. It acts as a decoupler. That's its main purpose. And these are going to go on the outer door skin as well, and it's going to kind of help reduce back waves and kind of like so instead of hitting like a harder aluminum, it's going to kind of hit this soft thing, and it's going to help that not resonate throughout the door and kind of echo in the. It's like you can't hear with the ear, but it's like one of those minute things. So it'll stop from reverberating through the door as much. It's going to soften that blow on your outer door skin. And now the most important part, it comes with 8 pieces of this CLD, constrained layer dampening, or just your typical sound deadener. So, and what this does is it has a layer of butyl and then a layer of aluminum on top. So it's gonna work kind of like the aluminum sheet, except this is way more flexible. You apply the butyl, butyl side down to all pieces. So your door panel is, in my opinion, one of the most important pieces to sound deaden, because if you think about it, like if you're like a home speaker system, it has like that baffle in front of it. So you have like your speaker, and then there's the baffle in front, and as it hits that, it's all energy, and it has to vibrate that outer panel first before it can come out to your ears. So most of your sound energy is actually lost in the door panel itself. So obviously you want to use this to stop the panel that the speaker's mounted to from reverberating and losing energy, but once it leaves that speaker, it hits the door panel first. And that's why it's the most important to sound deaden, because that whole panel, it's really thin, it's really flimsy, and it's really easy to flex because it's plastic. So if you can add rigidity to this and add some of the other foam to kind of absorb some of the sound, it's going to really direct the sound out of the door panel and not allow it to resonate. And that is going to give you the biggest benefit out of everything. So if you're on a tight budget and you don't know where to allocate your sound deadening, my opinion would be the inner door skin and then the door panel if you had like first. So this stuff, the butyl almost acts as like a suspension piece. So it allows slight amounts of flex, but it absorbs the resonance. And then the aluminum constraining layer is what gives it the rigidity to kind of reduce the resonance overall. Resonance is just the killer of your sound quality and your sound output. So actually doing this is actually going to, in my opinion, drastically increase the sound output and the quality, just because it's allowing that speaker to be more efficient. And yeah, it comes with 8 in here, so it comes with a whole bunch to get you going. And in order of operations, you're gonna want to take this stuff and put this down, and then this over top of this as another layer of rigidity, And then if you're working on the outer door skin, you're going to want to take this stuff and put that next. So that's going to be your 3 layers on the outer door skin. And then on the inner door skin, you're going to want to put this stuff first. If you wanted, you could do some of this. So the inner door skin, this, and then these. And that would be probably all that I would go there. And you could do the same exact thing on the door panel as well. So yeah, that's everything that comes in the kit. The kit retails, I believe, for $180. And for what it comes in the kit, it is very, very worth it. And then next, we're going to show you how to put it in and just kind of give you a quick rundown. So told you what everything does, and now you're going to see how to actually apply it properly.